Good morning, guys. Welcome back to our channel. This is a DIY project that we've been meaning to get to, and I'm going to record it while Jesse gets to it. Okay, so we will be switching out our light switches because I switched out the panels but didn't switch out the switches. So we're going to be switching out the light switches with brand new ones to match the white panels and, you know, make them look a little cleaner as well. So I will record Jesse here in a minute. He is going to go turn the power off so that we can be safe and adhere to the rules. Don't mind my messy garage. It is what it is. We are COVID safe over here. Ooh, it's so cold out here. This is my 1-car garage. Hopefully I'll be getting a 2-car garage soon. Should I be inside to tell you if it works?
No, I can actually look and see.
Okay. Welcome in, Jesse here.
Normally your breaker panel will tell you what to turn off, but unfortunately this one's pretty old.
Yeah, it's an old house.
And you can't really read it very well or see, so you gotta take a guess. I'm gonna go ahead and take a guess at number 3 and number 5.
Oh, snap.
Nope.
Alright, Jesse's turned the power off and he's going to get started. So here you are just taking the old one out. He is testing. Is that what you're doing, babe?
Yep, making sure that it is completely dead. I'm gonna go grab this one's Phillips, so why sit there and work hard when you can work smart on certain things. Right, this one is a 3-way. It has 3 wires going into 3 different areas, and all we're going to do is redo that one. I'm going to loosen this one up. As you can tell, they're flathead, and I don't feel like going to my truck getting a flathead drill bit just to unscrew this, so I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way.
Okay. So a little bit of information about this house. It was built in the 80s, probably around when we were born. And I have been living here for almost 4 years. I did quite a bit of updates when I first moved in. And then once Jesse and I became a couple, he did a lot more. So this is one of the projects that he's been needing to get around to. I created a honey-do list as he requested, and he pretty much took care of everything.
So with these 3 ways, what they did, instead of taking the wire and tucking it behind the screw, they put it into the slot behind. And in order to get that out, you're going to need a small screwdriver. And some needle nose pliers.
I don't have a good angle. That's okay. I'll be back here.
So basically, you stick the small screwdriver down here, and it releases. But there's other ways. There's also wire cutters you can use if you want to use that, or you can continue where you don't want to do anything.
Alright, so he got that one, the old one off, and now he is attaching the new one. It was a little tussle with those wires. They're a little strong. So,
as you can tell, This one broke. That's why it's always good to have wire strippers handy.
Oh, this is live.
Don't worry, you're going to make a mess. But I'd rather make a mess than clean it up and be done with it. So I'm just using the needle nose pliers to bend the wire. And using the drill gun, putting it together. One down.
One down.
That's a three-way. So three-way takes a little bit longer sometimes, especially with the electrician. As you can tell, this electrician who wired this house used positive wires. So it's really important to pay attention to where the wires are. That way you can replace them with the new wires the same way. Power is still off. That's very important while you're sitting here messing with this. So once again, this electrician put the wires behind. So you need a small screwdriver. You just gotta stick it in the hole and wiggle and jiggle until it breaks loose, or you can cut it. Every electrician, everybody does things different. To me, I guess I like to fight sometimes. As you can tell, it's coming out little by little. Done.
Alright guys, I'll show you the end results once Jesse is finished. This is a DIY for today, and then he may end up doing another one, which I probably will put into this video as well, but I'm not sure yet. So, alright, have a great day. Thank you for watching our channel. As always, please like, comment, subscribe if you like our content. And see you next time. Say bye, babe.
See you later. Thank you.
Alright, guys. I forgot to show you the completed product. Jesse finished it. It is working. He tested it and everything. And he just put the plate back on. Now, it looks so much better. Like, this sign was dirty on the other one. I'll probably insert a photo or whatever. But, yeah, it looks clean.